Welcome everyone, here it is, the Google Pixel 7. I got it in the Obsidian color, which is just, black. I did also unbox the Google Pixel 7 Pro, so if you'd like to check that one out, I'll have the link in the description. I also have the Pixel 6 here, so we can take a look at the design differences. Alright, so starting off, we do have these pull tabs here. So I'll just pull this one off, boom. And pull this one off. What's really cool is if you pre-order the Pixels by the 10th, well, it's the 13th, so a little bit late. If you do pre-order the Pixels, when it comes to the 7, they'll give you either the Pixel Buds Pro completely free as a bundle package, or you can get, I believe, £160 off of the Google Pixel Watch. I do have the Pixel Buds Pro and Pixel Watch already with me, so you'll see this video soon. So taking a look at this phone here, I'm not really a big fan of this. This is because, I mean, look at this right here. Look how beautiful Pixel 7 Pro looks with this this gold design and this greenish tone. I do prefer this more, but there was this other color, I think it was called like lime green, something like that, which probably would have looked better. So yeah, if you are looking at the Obsidian, if you want that, this guy's look, if you want it to look similar to the Pixel 6, maybe you're going to get this one, but me personally, I'm not a big fan of this color. If you're looking at this color, you're like, I want this, then of course you should get it. Okay, so in the box we do have an adapter. This is useful because let's say you have a device which uses an old charging cable. You can connect that old charging cable to the old device, connect this part to your Pixel 7, and you'll be able to transfer the data nice and easily. We have the charging cable here, but not the charging brick. We then have this here. I thought this would be cool, but after taking a look at what was in the Pixel 7 Pro's version of this, it's just a SIM ejector tool. You can see right here, and some warranty information that's weirdly long. Does anyone even read this? Do let me know in the comments, because I definitely don't. I find out the hard way when I do my drop test. That was a joke. That was a joke. Okay, let's turn on the phone itself. There we go. So first impressions. I did take a look at the Pixel 7 Pro. You're not really going to be able to see it because it's coming on a black screen. Let me just skip the Google part. It's all on a black screen. Okay, so when it comes to the Pixel 7 Pro, the sides are rounded compared to flat sides on the Google Pixel 7. The same does apply with the Pixel 6 series as well, it's just flat sides. Honestly, I do prefer the rounded sides more. However, the flat sides doesn't look too bad. It does look a little bit more dated, I guess you could say. But honestly, it's not that deep, it's virtually the same. The bezels here as well are slightly wider, but of course there's going to be a black screen when I need to do the comparison. It really is minimal, okay, so it's not a big issue. You also have 120 Hz on the Pixel 7 Pro and only 90 Hz on the Google Pixel 7. Now I say only like that's a bad thing. If you haven't seen the higher refresh rates, the lower ones look buttery smooth and they look perfectly fine. So I don't really think that's an issue. Of course, Google Pixel 6 also does have the 90 Hz, okay, so it's not like you're getting a downgrade or really an upgrade. And the main difference is the processor inside. You have the original tensor in Pixel 6, you then have the G2 in a Pixel 7 here, and what that allows is better AI, better voice recognition. It also has faster performance, but the performance you're not really buying this phone for because the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 is way ahead of this. The Apple A16 is light years ahead of anything on Android currently. I hope that does change soon, to be honest. But yeah, you're basically buying this for the software features. You now have a brand new feature where if you take a blurry photo, you can remove the blur, which is kind of insane. You have just better overall camera performance. You have better main camera sensor here as well. And yeah, it's pretty impressive. Alright, so I'm going to make a dedicated video on how to set up this phone, also how to do everything. So make sure you check out my channel page. You're going to see a lot of videos, just check out the ones you'd like. And with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.